Hello, peasants. I am a cat. I am a cat. I am better than you because I am a cat. I am a very sexy cat. Don't you see my killer smile and my laugh? Look, you're so surprised, you little peasant. Oh, wow, that's very peasanty of you. I don't like you. I'm a kitten. I have feelings too. Don't be mean just because I called you a peasant. See, look, we're all friends here. Kisses, kisses, mwah, mwah, kisses, mwah, yay. I love you guys. You're so sweet. I'm joking, you're all peasants and I hate you. Ha 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 ha. Okay guys, you make me sick. You make me sick. I'm gonna go now, since you're all peasants and I don't like you.
No, we all love you guys for watching our videos and subscribers. See ya. Bye.